Okay, we are at an alabaster factory, alabaster shop. Here is the raw material. Where does the alabaster come from, please?
The mountain. 70 kilometers of the mountain.
How many kilometers?
7.
7 kilometers. Okay, so the
Donkey camel.
oh, okay. So the raw material comes from 7 kilometers away.
First one is was the first one.
Okay, that's in very rough form. So they use a hammer with a pointed end in order to do the roughing work.
This hole inside.
And then the bowl is shaped inside of this device. Then they get to the point
Polish.
where they polish or do the final shaping that way.
Sandstone.
Then they use sandstone for the final polish.
Oven.
And then it goes in the oven. Okay, how long in the oven?
Degrees.
110 days. Okay. And then they put a wax on.
Finish this.
Okay, so that's wax, and then it becomes
Color.
very translucent. Excellent. So this is located near the city of Luxor. Just a little thing that might interest you, seeing people hand making these works. More or less an unbroken tradition from now back into dynastic times. And that one there, the whitish one, is actually made on a machine, so like very fast, quite possibly diamond level technology utilized. But this man is handcrafting. What material is that?
Soapstone.
Soapstone. Okay, so it's local soapstone.
Yes.
Egypt soapstone. Ah. Okay, so,
يعني محلي من البلد.
so they work in soapstone and alabaster.
This is how it looks when it's polished.
Yeah, very nice.
Some of it green, other reflects red. And when it goes to fire, it becomes more solid, a lot solid, and it gives more red color. But it becomes a lot more solid.
Oh, they put it in the kiln?
Like that.
And how long is it in the kiln for?
بتاخد وقت قد ايه في الفرن؟ From 7 to 9 hours.
7 to 9 hours.
From 7 to 9 hours. But you have to make it low and high,
Oh, okay.
so it doesn't explode.
Right.
You have a technique to be followed.
Sure. By the way, this is Hakim. He is our guide for the entire tour. He is of the Awian family and named after the very famous Abdel Hakim Awian, who was the greatest tour guide and scholar in all of Egypt. And the tradition of the Awian family continues to this very day and onwards. Pleasure. So I've been to Egypt many, many times, and I've actually never been to one of these alabaster factories. It's well worth having a look inside at all the things that they, all the things they create. Yes, this is Ali. He is, yes, he is our guide here in the south, and you've already seen and met Bedoui. Bedoui again, they are both working with a company called Select Egypt, and they are by far the best tour and exploring company in all of Egypt, and of course Mahmoud as well. So if you're looking for a company, just look on the internet for Select Egypt, and also Horus Rising is the company that I work with here with Patricia Awian. So they are by far the best in the business, the masters of knowledge of ancient Egypt.
Thank you.
Pleasure. So all sorts of things. These are likely resin copies, so poured. But they also have a lot of handcrafted things too.
Can you choose anything you like? We give you free.
Okay, thank you.
This is this present for our.
Okay, thank you.
Choose the best things you want.
Okay.
Don't worry, okay?
Thank you, Better. Lots and lots and lots of alabaster things.
That's the like that would be could you quite the minimum cost anywhere?
Looks pretty strong.
I love it. It's my favorite coffee I've ever had.
Good. So, time to take a break and have a little Egyptian style / Turkish style coffee.